Hey everyone, this is Oishwaryaa and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Today I'm gonna give you guys a small tour of the home studio that I've built for myself, and in the process I will also be providing with a beginner's guide for people who want to build a home studio for themselves. So without further ado, let's get started with the video, shall we? So the first thing we need is a PC or laptop. Pretty obvious, I know. This is where we will connect all the other stuff. In order to make things easy and the workflow better, try and invest in a computer that has at least 4 GB of RAM. The more RAM you get, the easier the job done. I use Asus VivoBook S series, which has an 8 GB of RAM, and it works out just fine for me. The second thing we need is a DAW, or a digital audio workstation. If you don't know what a DAW is, then it's a software where all the audio editing is done. You can record your voice using this software and also instruments that you can play, and then head to the next part where the mixing and mastering is done, and then you can finally export the audio as a complete song. So basically this is where all the magic happens. There are several DAWs available in the market like Ableton, FL Studio, Cubase, etc. I personally use Ableton Live Lite 10 and Cakewalk by BandLab. But wait, how are you gonna record your voice? Which brings us to the third thing we need, and that is a microphone. Now microphones are of two types, condenser and dynamic. Condenser mics are sensitive and pick up all sounds around it, while dynamic mics are more rugged and they only project the sound that is being directed through the mic. Hence, condenser mics like these are suitable for studio purposes, whereas dynamic mics are more suitable for live performances. I'm using the Audio-Technica AT2020 cardioid condenser microphone. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I beg. I remember you say sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Hey, yeah. The next thing you're gonna need is an audio interface. Now, what is an audio interface? So, an audio interface is a machine that can convert the real life sound into a digital sound so that it can be edited using a DAW on your computer. I'm using the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 USB audio interface, which has two inputs, one for the mic and the other for any other electrical instrument. The last basic thing you need to build a home studio is headphones. When using an audio interface, you need a pair of speaker monitors or headphones to listen to the audio mix. Otherwise, you will not hear anything at all. I have gotten myself both speaker monitors and headphones. The speaker monitor I'm using is Behringer MS-20, and the headphones are from Audio-Technica. Thank you everyone, hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to leave a thumbs up and comment down below. Also make sure to subscribe because I make new videos every Tuesday and Friday. If you stay till the end, I want you to know that I love you. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.